Hey everybody, it's me Mashalahd. So today I'm going to be showing you a everyday makeup tutorial, everyday makeup that I do, and everyday makeup that I put it on every day. I have not filmed a YouTube video in quite a while. So this is going to be very fun for me. So the first thing I use is my Nivea. I think that my skin is quite good, to be honest. Oh shit. I opened my YouTube channel a while ago. And it was basically for stuff for mental health. I wanted to give y'all knowledge. I wanted to be with I wanted to help y'all, and I wanted to be there with you. Okay, so the thing is, this base looks very white, but when I'm gonna contour, it's gonna look very good. Just great. I wanted to open a mental health kind of thing for a while now. My mental health has been, up and down for a while, and it's life. I always was a person who, considered, I'm using this Essence Mattifying Compact Powder. I was always the person who, took care of themselves. But these days I'm not taking care of myself. I am just, trying out new things. I'm watching a lot of crime documentaries and I'm getting scared, y'all. I'm getting scared. I'm going to be using my favorite lipstick as my blush. Y'all, I have been watching crime documentaries and I've been reading biographies so much, and it has, I am just really in the. My father is here. Hello, Papa. So this is my father, everybody. So he's a really cool guy. मैं वीडियो बना रही हूँ जी, आप लगा के देखो. So our TV is kind of not working, yeah. And my father is a very supportive man of me. He supports me. He's so cute. I think we all need a good father and a good father figure, and we need a good father. And when you have both, that's really good. I'm using the Note powder to just powder it. And then I'm going to be using. So my mental health has been up and down for like a while. I try not to talk about it too much, but as I love you all so much, I'm gonna talk about it. Papa, मैं करती हूँ हैं. So my dad and my mother is inside, and my dad is such a really nice man. I can literally, we have all our insecurities and we don't like talking about them. My dad was like, don't watch crime documentaries, you're gonna get it all in your mind and then you will not sleep. And I'm like, Dad, I will sleep, and I'm just watching it for fun. I literally use my lipstick like this. Literally, I use my lipsticks like this. Like, just... It's only been 5 minutes and I'm done. Wow. I literally use my lipsticks like this. Christina like this. And then I'm gonna tell you a poem I wrote. I'm not gonna tell you because I have not memorized it, but I'm gonna just, tell you what it was about. So I have been bullied a lot since, high school. I was beaten up and I was bullied. So that poem is obviously about empowering, and as a girl, we all need empowerment, and we need someone in our lives to feel empowered. It was about that. So I really, really think that as a woman, as a girl, being empowered is so important, and as being empowered really helped me, and feeling that feeling that you have power, that is a feeling of, it's a really cool feeling, not gonna lie. And I just want to have power to fight against the enemies. I'm like saying that, I don't know why am I saying that like that, but we really need it. We really need power. So I will darken up my lipstick. This is by L'Oreal Paris, and this is so good. I think I am done, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna wash my hands, I'm gonna do my hair, and then I will run out. So thank you guys so much for watching. It was such a great time filming this. I am going to film some more videos with y'all. So stay tuned, and Allah Hafiz. Allah ki aman mein.